9 effective ways to earn money on YouTube. In this video, I'll outline some practical techniques to monetize your YouTube channel. It will cover both basic and sophisticated techniques. However, even with a tight manufacturing budget and cheap equipment, you can still turn a profit. Your videos don't even have to become popular. The simplest method of earning money on YouTube is to monetize your channel's video viewership with advertising. That is how media organizations operate. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about effective ways to earn money on YouTube. Let's see what we have for you to make massive profit with low investment. If you want to find out more about it, then stay with us until the end of the video. Also, before we start the video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon for more amazing videos. And let's get started. Make a mental change if you wish to use your video hosting platform to earn a respectable living. Consider your YouTube channel a brand and create a business with various revenue streams on top of it. You have the option of licensing the creative assets for your channel, sharing products from companies you love, or selling your own goods and stuff. Below is the first method for monetizing YouTube without using AdSense. You can mix and match the monetization strategies that are appropriate for you and your YouTube channel from a list I've arranged according to how tough and relevant they are for various types of creators. 1. Offer video editing services. Offering brands a concierge YouTube video editing service as they continue to launch new channels might earn you a respectable income. But in order to ensure that the information flows smoothly and that the spectator is engaged, video editing calls for specific knowledge, takes time, and requires creativity. Regularly producing video sketches for your channel will help you develop your abilities while also enhancing your portfolio. Your network is a terrific place to start when trying to attract customers because they may already be aware of your YouTube channel and the caliber of your videos. Making a pitch to nearby firms is another excellent strategy. You can explain to them how, in addition to enhancing their brand, YouTube can help them gain more business. To get your first few clients, you can also attempt freelance markets like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. You can even provide packages on these platforms that are based on the video editing tasks you'll be handling, such as color grading, adding transitions, adding sound effects, adding subtitles, modifying the movie's duration, and similar things. 2. Become an affiliate and review products. A sizable subscription base might be necessary to obtain a sponsorship. However, you may still work with companies and make money by reviewing their goods that your audience would be interested in. It requires enrolling in their affiliate program, many of which have a minimal entry barrier. Afterward, advertise them by including your specific affiliate link in the video description. Here it's important to maintain transparency with your audience to avoid damaging your ties with them. 3. Get brands to sponsor you. Instead of just idly scrolling like you would on other social network sites, users go to YouTube to watch videos. In order to promote their brands and products, businesses from a number of industries, including those in the beauty, fitness, food, gaming, apps, tech, parenting, toys, nerd culture, and more, are willing to pay greater fees to video makers on the platform. For these companies, advertising converts substantially worse than organic content on channels. These 3 suggestions will help you make sponsored content profitable. Promote products genuinely useful for your audience. Don't follow the money mindlessly. Your audience will become disinterested if your product and brand suggestions don't improve their lives, aren't pertinent to the concept of your channel, and don't flow naturally with your video. Disclose paid partnerships. If you don't disclose to your subscribers that you are being compensated for product recommendations, you risk losing their trust. Maintain openness when it comes to product recommendations. Otherwise, YouTube may take action against your account. Additionally, deceiving your audience is likely to undermine your relationship with them and your business, so refrain from doing so. Go niche. With these brand relationships, you don't need a million subscribers to get going. Brands do want a specialty channel with a dedicated and engaging audience. Begin examining the sponsors of channels that are similar in size to your competitors. Additionally, send emails to various businesses in your niche, asking if they are interested in branded content. Perhaps initially, marketplaces like GRAPEVINE and FrameBit will perform better. 4. Sell your branded merchandise. How can you start selling merchandise that promotes your business while leveraging influence? Those of you who are already YPP members can access the merchandise section and related benefits. The entry requirement is 10,000 subscribers at the very least. Due to Teespring's interaction with YouTube, you can show up to 12 particular goods on the shelf below your channel description. T-shirts, hoodies, and caps are the top 3 items that YouTube creators sell. According to Printify research of popular YouTube merchandise, you may start by doing the same. The YouTube producers frequently use their own quotations, logos, and channel names for the designs of the merchandise. After linking your verified site to your channel on YouTube, you may also advertise it there using cards. 5. Sell online courses and other informational products. You already have a fantastic possibility to earn money if your YouTube videos are teaching your viewers. Through an online course, you can package your knowledge and impart a skill important to your subscription base. The topic for the same can be supported by the interest of your viewers. The same can be said for other digital goods including ebooks, templates, workshops, printables, and downloads. Generally speaking, starting with an email list is the best place to start when creating courses. Inbox is a more personal platform for connecting with your audience and developing closer connections. A higher conversion rate will result from using email marketing, rather than just advertising your course on YouTube because it frequently offers personalized marketing chances. 6. Start a paid membership program. You can even convert your devoted audience into a select group that receives special perks, such as access to digital goods you produced in the previous stage. Anyone who is interested can join, which will provide recurring monthly income for you. Rob Scallon, one of my favorite guitarists on YouTube, has a 4-level Patreon subscription. He charges his viewers for certain videos so they can get first access, more discussion, and ability to download, and even get their name in the credits. The value of your subscription increases as you've amassed a collection of such premium content. 7. Crowdfund your projects. You can add cards to authorized crowdfunding websites and raise one-off funds. Typically, artists use fan donations for special projects like books, movies, web series, applications, or product development, while also raising awareness for a cause close to their hearts. Given that it just requires a single effort, this monetization technique may be simpler to implement than the recurring membership revenue model. But depending on your financial objectives, it can prove difficult. Typically, websites like Kickstarter and Indiegogo are used to describe your project ideas, the budget needed to carry it out, and the fundraising process. Consider using sporadic fan funding to interact with your subscribers more through live streams and the provision of special content. To generate some great cash, features like Super Chat and Super Stickers are offered. 8. Consult, coach, and speak. Do you possess a specialty that business might use to increase their revenue? If so, you can start a business as a marketing consultant. YouTube marketing may be a wise choice if your channel has already gained some traction and you consistently get a few thousand views on each video you upload. Businesses are setting aside a sizable budget for YouTube, as evidenced by video marketing statistics. Therefore, brands will pay you well to manage their channels on their behalf. In the alternative, you can consult with companies in your industry, which you also teach on your channel. Additionally, you can provide private coaching sessions to your audience. Even though you'll be exchanging your time for money, based on the skill you plan to teach, you can set a fair price. These coaching and consulting positions are effective in most niches. You can work as a fashion consultant, guitar teacher, or math tutor. Paid speaking engagements are the final teaching-related option I want to discuss. You can get paid well to speak in industry conferences if they are frequent in your field. 9. License your videos to media houses. An entertaining YouTube clip of an Indian man paragliding and asking for a speedy descent after becoming hysterically afraid went viral, garnered media attention, and turned the man into an overnight sensation. Limited streaming rights could be appealing to media companies so they can air the video. You can definitely license any such adorable and humorous films of your dog, children, cat, or other charming animals you might have. And this is it for today, guys. What are your thoughts on today's video? Share with us in the comments below. Also, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss any of the latest updates. And thank you for watching.